So today's topic is bacteriophage in starter culture. As you all know, the bacteriophage is the most important threat to any starter culture, and it's destroyed the starter culture. It act on lactic acid bacteria and destroy that bacteria, and in this way, this bacteriophage is one of the most important threat or problem in the dairy industry. So before we go down this another slide, you must know what is bacteriophage. So bacteriophage is nothing, it is virus, or why it is called as a phage, because it is bacteriophage, the virus which feed upon bacteria. Okay, phage stand for eating. So the virus which eat upon bacteria is known as the bacteriophage, and as you all know, the bacteriophage are obligate intracellular parasites, and that multiply only within the host. So in this case, the host is bacteria, and you also know that viruses don't have their own mechanism, so they use the host mechanism to multiply itself and to do the all their biosynthesis synthetic machinery. So phage means to eat, and bacteriophage means eating of bacterial cells. Bacteriophages are widely distributed in nature and most abundant in intestinal content of animals. It was first invented by Todd in 1950, and you all know that virus is nothing. It is a composition of two things. That is, it is made up of either DNA or RNA as a genetic material, and enveloped in a protein coat, and that protein is known as the capsid. Virus cannot carry out their life-sustaining function to reproduce. They can, because they don't have their own mechanism. They don't have any cellular mechanism. They lack ribosome. They lack ribosome, and that's why they lack the ability to synthesize their own protein. So they must have to depend upon the host mechanism. Virus cannot generate or store in the form of adenosine triphosphate ATP, adenosine triphosphate, that is ATP, but they have to derive their energy and all the metabolic functions from the host cell. So they also parasitize the cell for the basic building materials such as the amino acids, nucleoside, and lipids. So in a whole, you can say that virus is a completely inactive outside the host cell, but it is active only when it's just goes inside the host cells, and for doing all its metabolic functions, it have to depend upon the host metabolic machinery system. So this is the composition of virus. As you all know that virus is made up of a protein coat, and this protein coat is known as the capsid, that is made up of the small unit of protein molecule is known as the capsomere, and inside this protein coat there is nucleic acid. The nucleic acid may be either RNA or DNA. The nucleic acid in one virus there both the nucleic acid may not be present, must not be present. DNA or RNA will not be present in only one virus. Either it will be DNA or in the RNA in a particular virus. And again, the DNA and RNA may be single stranded and double stranded, that you will see later on. So this capsid followed by a rod structure, and a rod which encases a silk-like structure, followed by a tail, and this is tail and tail fibers, and this is the pin structure which help in to the attachment of the host cell and injection of nucleic acid inside the host cell. So in a whole, all these structure contain only two structure: nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA. RNA or DNA may be single stranded or double stranded. And protein coat is capsid, that is made up of the protein, and it encloses genetic material. So a complete virus consisting of nucleic acid and protein is called as a virion. So now virus classification. The current system uses Baltimore classification system, and that Baltimore classification is based on their mode of replication, their genome type, whether there is DNA or RNA, and the other, the ICTV, or the International Committee on Taxonomy of Virus. This devises all this a mechanism to classify and placing them in a particular genus of a virus. So Baltimore classification is according to their DNA composition, whether the DNA is double stranded or the single stranded. The double stranded DNA virus are adenoviruses, herpes virus, and pox virus. Likewise, single stranded DNA in which positive strand or only same strand is there. And example is parvovirus. Likewise, there is double stranded RNA virus also. The double stranded RNA virus is known as the Rio virus, and the virus having only single stranded RNA in the as their genetic material is having only positive strand or sense strand of RNA. Is example is coronavirus, picornavirus, and the Toga viruses. Virus having negative stranded RNA standard, that is negative strand or antisense RNA. Example is orthomyxovirus and rhabdovirus. Single stranded RNA reverse transcriptase virus is known as the retrovirus, the virus that uses reverse transcription for its for synthesizing its own cell is known as the retrovirus. Now, the virus having double stranded DNA and reverse transcript virus that is because their DNA interfere with the DNA with the RNA intermediate in the life cycle is Habdena virus. So, this ICTV, the International Committee on Virus, uh, classify this virus according to their morphology and their nucleic acid, and according to that classification, the virus are classified into the family Myxoviridae, Cephoberidae, Podoviridae, and morphology is non-enveloped contractile tail. That means the virus having no outer cell outside their protein coat, and nucleic acid is linear double-stranded DNA. Again, non-enveloped, non-contractile tail. The virus having non-contractile tail, and DNA is the double-stranded DNA. Is the Cephodovirus, Cephovirus. Pordovirus is non-enveloped, short, non-contractile tail, having linear double-stranded DNA. So this is placed in order cordiovirals. Other is unassigned group in which there are the variation of viruses like Tactiviridae, non-enveloped isometric linear double-stranded DNA, Corticoviridae, non-enveloped isometric virus and having circular double-stranded DNA, Lipothrix viridae enveloped and Rotse virus having linear double-stranded DNA, Plasma viridae enveloped and pleomorphic in nature, having circular double-stranded DNA, Rudiviridae, non-enveloped Rotse virus having linear double-stranded DNA, and so on. So, bacteriophage completed their life cycle in a two stages. Or you can say the virus undergo two cycle. One is lytic cycle, and another is lysogenous cycle. So lytic cycle consists of 5 stages. The first stage is attachment of phages on the bacterium surface. You can see these small tiny viruses are attaching itself on the bacterium surface. The second is penetration of this viral DNA inside the host DNA, and in this mechanism, the tail and the tail fiber help in doing that kind of mechanism. In the third stage, there is replication of fast DNA by going inside the host cell is just to control over the bacterial DNA, and that bacterial DNA synthesize the fast DNA and the patch code. So the fourth stage is assembly. The fast DNA and fast coat are assembled itself to form a complete virus, and the last stage is release and the lysis of that bacterial cell, and that virus liberate itself into the environment for the new infection. The another cycle is known as the lysogenic cycle. Lysogenic cycle in which the first two mechanism is same. That is attachment of virus on the host bacterial surface, then penetration of fast DNA into the bacterial DNA into the bacterial cell, then integration of this fast DNA into the bacterial DNA, and at that stage, that virus is known as the prophage. And by in this way, when the bacteria multiply, virus multiply itself into with the bacterial DNA, and that phase is known as the latent phase, in which there is no symptomic appearance of virus. Okay, but this lysogenic stage is not permanent. When this bacterium cell is exposed with any UV rays or any photoreactive rays, then this bacteria get excited and release this virus get release itself from the host DNA, and again undergo the lytic cycle to make its particle and then releases of the cell. जब भी कोई एक एडमिट हो रहा है, स्लाइड हैंग हो जा रहा है. So since you know this virus is very harmful for the starter culture, because this completely lies the lactic acid bacteria, and in this way it is not very good for any starter culture. So how you will apply some measures to control phage attack? That in the previous class also we had just gone through the control measure to avoid the attack of virus on the lactic acid bacteria. So again, there should be strict aseptic technique for propagation and production of starter culture. The effective sterilization of equipment and utensils should be done. Proper heat treatment of milk should be done. Restrictive movement of plant personnel in a starter room should be done. Locate starter. The room should be located far away from any production area. Check filtration of air into starter room and production area. Fog the atmosphere in the starter room with the hydrochloride solution, or use of laminar flow cabinet for small scale culture transfer. Grow starter culture in phage inhibitory or resistant medium, and use of daily rotation of phage unrelated strain or phage resistant strain, and produce the bulk starter culture or even the retail product using a direct to vat system. So these are the certain control measures to avoid the phage attack on the any bacterial surface. Now thank you. So time for discussion. Now it's time for discussion. Everybody, you please, not everybody, if you anybody want to raise any question, then unmute your microphone, please. Anybody from today's topic? बोलो.
पीछे कीजिए मैम स्लाइड को, कुछ पूछना था
पीछे यार ये हैंग कर जाता है. चलो ऊपर से हम एक बार ले आते हैं स्लाइड्स को. ठीक है, इसमें कुछ
ठीक है मैम.
स्ट्रक्चर
मैम वायरस वाला था ना डेफिनेशन, उस पे पूछना है. नो मैम स्ट्रक्चर पे नहीं.
डेफिनेशन पे. हाँ ये तो है डेफिनेशन.
नो मैम और आगे
क्लासिफिकेशन है, उसके बाद डेफिनेशन तो इसी में है.
वायरस पे मैम और नीचे
उसके लाइफ साइकिल पे.
और नीचे
लाइफ साइकिल पे
नहीं मैम, और नीचे मैम, नीचे जाइए मैम, बता दें.
मेजर पे तो गया.
नो मैम,
अब कहाँ है?
एक मिनट मैम.
दूसरे क्लास
में एक करके पढ़ाते नहीं.
This is first slide. No confusion. This is second.
5 या 6, 5 नंबर,
3, 4,
5 नंबर मैम, 6
5,
नंबर पे,
5,
6 नंबर पे,
6 नंबर पे
यस मैम, इस पे एक बार और, बाल्टीमोर क्लासिफिकेशन।
ये बाल्टीमोर क्लासिफिकेशन देखो, बाल्टीमोर